And what are we doing today, son?
We are going to play with this
Ooh.
Hot Wheel
Vertical
launch
kit. That is awesome. So what we have here, we have the launcher. What is that? That's the launcher, right? For
That's
the car.
the launcher.
Car goes in here.
And then goes like up, turns around. And then goes like
It goes into a loop-de-loop. Yeah, the double loop.
And then you can switch it, you can take it off and put it here. And then it goes like, push this, and then like, it goes like.
Show us how it works, son. Give us a demonstration, please.
And then it goes.
Okay, now give us a demonstration, please. Show us how it's done. Use that. And what car comes with the track? This awesome green car.
Yeah.
That's awesome. All right, let's do this. Let's roll out. Let's see.
Okay, can I try this? Okay.
All right, so the car goes in the launcher. Go ahead. Whoa! That's so awesome.
My turn.
Now, Ona's gonna go and try it with this Torino. All right, you gotta push it more. You gotta give it more oomph. All right, more oomph, Ona. Nope, you gotta give it all you got, baby.
No, push it in.
Okay,
Yeah.